Hi everybody. I am creating this short video for those of you who are having trouble accessing some of the course content. I know that some of you are having trouble accessing tests. You might get a piece of the test or just the question buttons or something like that. So I'm going to walk you through very quickly how to allow pop-ups and how to allow cookies on your computer for this specific website so that maybe that'll fix your issues. So you'll see here on my screen that I have the opening screen for my Blackboard courses, and yours probably looks something like this, but maybe with some different classes listed here. The first thing that I want you to do, we're going to allow the pop-ups and allow the cookies for our website. So you should be open to your Blackboard screen, your home page for Blackboard. And I want you to copy the website, the Blackboard website. Just click on it and copy it. Then you're going to go to your Tools menu, your Internet Explorer Tools menu. So you click on Tools or Internet Explorer here, Internet Options, right here. And you're going to select the Privacy tab. Now your Tools button might have been a little different than mine if you're using a different version. Maybe you might have to go to File, Tools, Internet Options, something like that. But get to where your Internet Options are. Click on the Privacy tab. And the first thing you're going to click on is Sites. And then you're going to paste that web address in there. And even though it shows up as this long thing, when you click Allow, it should show up as k12.la.us. And then you're going to click Allow. After you put it in there, you're going to click Allow and it'll show up here. Then you click OK. You can see these are the sources that I allow cookies from. If you read up here where it says Manage Sites, we're going to allow cookies from this site. Then you click OK. The next thing that you need to do, the next step, is you should see where it says Turn on Pop-up Blocker. Well, you want to keep this on because you don't want pop-ups from random websites that you go to. But if you click on Settings, and again, paste our web address in that box right there where it says Address of Website to Allow, click Add, and you should see smsblearn.stmary.k12.la.us. So that site has been allowed so that we will always allow pop-ups from our Blackboard site. Then you select Close. You might be allowed to select Apply because I've already done this before. My Apply button doesn't work. Then you click OK, and that should be done. Now, the next thing that I want you to do, I'm going to download or I'm going to link this site in our Blackboard class, and you'll see I'll put it in our course documents or somewhere. I'll tell you where to find it. But it is a link for a browser test. So as soon as you click on the link that I put in our class, it will bring you to this page. And you will see all of these checks or X's depending on whether or not you have the components downloaded on your computer. These are required components to run all the pieces of Blackboard. So you need JavaScript. I've just showed you how to allow cookies. There's another spot down here where it's about pop-ups. You also need Java runtime, the runtime environment. And then these optional components are also important, like Flash Player, Shockwave Player. When I first did this browser test, not all of these were checked. I had to go in and download Real Player. I had to go make sure Shockwave Player was installed. I had to go allow for cookies. The only thing I haven't done is download this vector graphic viewer. I'm having trouble with that, but it hasn't stopped me from seeing all of the information I need to see in Blackboard. So go ahead and do the browser check and make sure everything you need is has a green check by it. If not, go and download those things. Then go try to open those tests that you can't open. And if you still have trouble after all of this, after you've allowed pop-ups, after you've allowed cookies, and after you've checked for all of these things, then let me know and we'll see what else we can do to fix it. Okay? All right. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you later.